What's up, everyone? So I'm going to be trying to jack my truck up by adjusting the torsion bars. I don't like how it sits right now, so I'm going to be trying to mess with it and see what I can come up with. Top bolt is a 19 mil, so let's get her into place. There we go. And you want to turn to the right. Let's check it out. Lower her down. See where she sits. Sorry, getting kind of winded. Seeing how she looks right now. Trying to get this just about right. I usually measure it, but I'm just trying to eyeball it right now. The driver's side looks good already. I mean, it looks good. Looks like it's jacked up good. Might not have to mess with the driver's side, but the passenger side, I kind of messed with the torsion bars a little bit because I was trying to figure out some way when I was getting ready to drop the transmission, and so I just kind of started messing with the passenger side torsion bar. I feel like I need to jack the passenger side up some more. It can be tedious, but it's all good. All right, let's go back under and see what we can come up with. Sorry if the camera is moving a lot. Trying to put my body into it so I can get this sucker going. All right. Let's check, see how high it has been lifted. It does not look level at all. It's gotten lower. It has definitely gotten lower. All right. Whoa. Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? Have some really bad news. I was starting to adjust the height on my truck through the torsion bars, the adjustment bolt, and I started on the passenger side, and all of a sudden I realized that the bolt is stripped like straight through on the middle. And when I started doing that, it slammed on the ground. I was doing it in my shop, and so it completely kind of slammed on the ground. Luckily I had it jacked up on the lower control arm when I was doing it, but I just realized that the bolt is done for. So my wife had to order a new one. So when that new bolt comes in, I'm going to install it. Well, I have to cut the other bolt off. There's no way around it, so I have to cut the other bolt and then install the new one. So it comes with all the accessories, everything, like a new nut that comes with it, a locking nut, stuff like that. So that's good news. But yeah, when I get all that set, then I'm all jam up, ready to go. Sorry, I got bugs getting all over me. That's one of the downfalls of being in Georgia. You have mosquitoes, gnats, everything that just wants to go after you. So in one video I showed where the rat had like destroyed the wiring on my passenger side headlight. So since I'm waiting on that bolt, since it's coming from overseas, cause salvage yards and everyone did not have a bolt, which is really weird. It's like a mid-90s Nissan and no one has a bolt, and like it's just strange. Like you can get anything else for a Nissan, but for a torsion bar adjustment bolt, it's like they don't exist in the world. I don't know, it's really weird. But so since I'm waiting on the bolt in another video, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the wires for the headlight so I can get this working. I gotta do the wires. There's a wire that goes in underneath here. Sorry, I don't have the hood propped, but it's for my KC lights. So the rat chewed through that too. So I gotta take care of that as well. I will take y'all every step of the way. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm doing the wires, I gotta splice them, and I don't have the heat shrink connectors. It's like this it's about that long and piece of metal inside. Just for those of you who aren't aware of it, you twist the wires on each end. After you splice it, you got to expose a little bit of wire, then you meet them in the middle, and then it's heat shrink, so you get like a lighter, and then you kind of hover over the plastic and it like shrinks to the wire. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna have to go buy some and do that. Then I got to replace a brake master cylinder. So once I do all that, my truck will be primed and ready to go. And I really miss this truck. It seems like every time I try to do something, there's always a stumbling block that happens, and that's the price you pay for having an older vehicle. So you fix one thing and then something else goes out. But luckily Nissans, they're not really like that. At least mine hasn't been like that. But what hurt me is letting my truck sit up for over a year. And so and the reason for that, cause we bought a house, the hot water heater went out, and then just other issues, and the house was built in the 60s. So if y'all really want to, I can take y'all through the house one day and let y'all see what it looks like. I have a man cave built up, and really awesome. I have my own shop, which y'all have seen that in other videos, but it's just that's just have to fix houses up. They're old. That's just one thing of it. But anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna be trying to post more videos. I know I've been kind of out of the loop for a while. I haven't posted a video in a long time on Truckin' Tuesday. I know it's probably been like a month or so, and I'm sorry about that. I've been really busy. You know, with a wife and 4 kids and a full-time job, it's kind of hard to try to make YouTube my full-time, but that's what I'm aiming for. I eventually want to make YouTube my full-time job. That's all I want to do, is just YouTube videos. And I know there's a lot of people out there that want to be like that or want to do that, but that's just my desire. That's what I want to do. So, but those of you who are watching that aren't subscribed, please subscribe, support my channel, help me out every step of the way. And I hope y'all are enjoying my videos right now. Eventually I will get my truck actually on the road, so let's make it happen, or I'm gonna make it happen. But anyway, just stay tuned. Like I said, continue to support me. Thank you.